Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to report bugs in the Fundbox platform. If you notice a technical glitch, error message, or unexpected behavior in your Fundbox account, it's important to report it promptly. This ensures that both your experience and the platform's stability remain secure and optimized. So first, what counts as a bug? Well, if your dashboard is not loading or crashing, or if the buttons or features are not responding, if you have incorrect balance or transaction errors, if synchronization issues is not resolved through reconnect, also if notification errors like missing or repeated alerts, you also have errors while drawing funds or making repayments, as well as integration failures with your accounting or bank system. All of these count as bugs. Now, how to report a bug? First step is to document the issue. Before contacting support, you want to gather a brief description of exactly what happened, as well as steps that you took before the issue occurred. Also, any error messages or codes. You're also going to need screenshots or screen recordings if possible, as well as your browser or device information. Next is to submit a support ticket. Email Fundbox at support@fundbox.com with the subject line bug reports and of course a brief description. Include all the documentations above, and alternatively, if available in your dashboard, you want to click the help or contact us button and select the relevant category. Now, what happens next? You should receive an automated confirmation within minutes. A support representative will typically respond within 1 to 2 business days. For critical bugs like draw errors, response time may be even faster. You may be asked to provide more details or replicate the issue. Now, a couple of tips for better bug reporting. The first is to be specific. Include dates, transactions IDs, or user actions. You want to avoid vague descriptions like it's broken. You want to explain clearly exactly what's wrong. And if the bug seems related to synchronization or connections, you want to mention the third-party tools. For instance, if it's QuickBooks, Plaid, or your bank, you want to make that obvious. Now, what not to report as a bug? Now, feature requests, you can't report these as bugs. Account access or lockout issues, just use regular support. Also, disputes or charge questions, you want to file a dispute instead. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.